I pozdrav ljudi, dobrodošli u novu epizodu Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Evo nas tu na Posejdovom hramu. Imali smo sinkronizaciju da imamo fast travel. Moramo ići razgovarati tamo sa ovim Hipokratisom. Ali pošto sam vidio, vidite ovoga tu. Midas. Da, Midas je to. On je iz kulta, tako da mogli bi možda prvo njega srediti, jer je isti level koji mi. Da, možemo ga čak i ubiti. Ako ga dobro nacentrira. Uglavnom, kaj sam htio reći, on je iz kulta. I mislim da je to baš iz onoga Eye of the Cosmos, tako da imamo jednu misiju gdje bi trebalo uništiti, ubiti kao sve te iz Eye of the Cosmos. Ćemo se boriti s njim, ma hoće, ajde. Op, ajmo, samo ne ovi strijelci, njih mrzimo. Rekli smo da strijelce mrzimo. Pa ćemo možda onda njih i prvo srediti. Mrzimo kad mi se ovi ljudi uplitu. Op, di ćeš, prijatelj. Op, tako, bum. Malo ih je puno, to moram priznati. Tako malo defazivno, opa, dvojice. I skoro smo ga ubili. Sad smo ga ubili. Ajmo malo ovako. Dobra obrana. Dobar napad. Dobro. Ajde se skupiti opet malo i nisam baš to htio. Šta ste toliko napali, pa to je samo jedan čovjek. Da. Ovo sad nije dobro jer je i Myrrine došao. To bi potencijalno mogao biti problem, iako možda i nije. Evo tebi jedan ovako. Kaj? Ćemo izbjegnuti ove napad. Ne. Previše. Moramo se malo povući. Vidjeti dijeko. Mrzimo ove strijelce. Mada najbolje sad još i pas da dođe. To bi bilo sad najbolje ono. Vidio? Evo vidi, i došao je pas. Daj, ne želim te ubiti psu, ali kad toliko inzistiraš, vidio. Ovdje. Postalo gužvovito. Da. Moramo begati. Previše gužva. 21, da, to ne zvuči dobro. Možda smo ipak trebali ti samo razgovarati sa Hipokratisom. Da, nešto ih se skupilo. Puno. Mogu... Ne, dobro je. Nije se uspjela animacija igrat, ali... Bitno da sam ja potvrdio da sam ubio Midaza. Moramo se jednostavno povući. Zato jer ih je jednostavno previše. Too much. Da čujemo.
Tell me where he is, or by Ira, I'll burn this clinic to the ground with you in it.
I already told you what I know.
I don't ask much. Hippocrates must show humility to ensure public order. Prostrate himself before the gods and declare that his skills are God's given.
But that won't help his patients. It'll just take him away from his work.
If Hippocrates thinks he can disrupt social order to make himself into a demigod of healing, well, perhaps the gods themselves will have their revenge.
Šta bi mogli odgovoriti? No need to be back. Ma ide malo.
I'm sure there's no need for raised voices.
Who are you?
I'm looking for a man named Hippocrates.
Yet another crazed follower of the madman himself. Tell your impious
Ovom
master
kao će to
that
mrsi.
unless he makes a public apology and soon, this priestess of Ira will gather an army of faithful and shut him down. Out of my way.
Da,
Oh,
čini
thank
se
all
da
the
ga
gods
uopće
she's
ne
gone.
boli.
I thought she was going to kill me this
Sostratus.
time.
What's going on?
Zanimljivo.
I am Sostratus. Chrysis has accused my master
Sostratus.
Hippocrates of impiety.
Is he impious?
He believes that beyond praying, people can take their health into their own hands and make themselves well.
Zanimljivo.
Fascinating. Can I speak with him?
I'm sorry, he isn't here.
Need... Ajmo ovako.
I'll find him.
If you're going to meet Hippocrates, could I trouble you with a small errand?
Depends what it is.
I want you
Kaj
to
se
bring him
pak
some
ovaj hoće?
equipment. He was in such a hurry, he left it behind.
What kind of equipment?
Just medical necessities. Knives, a cut for sutures.
Možeš mislit.
Oh, and an enema bag for clearing the bowels.
That had better be properly wrapped. I could bring that to Hippocrates.
Really?
Naravno da možem, jer zašto ne bi mogli? Ma idemo za
I'll be
prije,
sure he
ajde.
gets the equipment.
You have my
On,
thanks.
on nam je kao
How
neki
will I know
prijatelj
when
je
I
to,
found
pa
Hippocrates?
možda
Follow
bolje
the
da
road southeast
džabe.
of Hera's Watch to the cave of Pan.
A
He
on
won't
nije
set
tu.
up far from it. Look for a
Zamislite,
long line of
nije u
sick
svojoj klinici.
He's
Ajde.
balding, but I wouldn't mention that if I were you.
Hvala na ničemu. Da vidimo šta će nam reći Hippocrates. Baš me zanima iskreno. Evo ga, tu je nešto radi. Cave of Pain.
So, what has caused this man's condition?
An excess of phlegm, doctor.
In the immediate sense, yes. But more importantly, he suffers from neglect.
Neglect?
Good
Neglect.
food, warm clothing, so much could have helped. But since other
Zanimljivo.
caretakers assumed his condition was a
Ja
punishment
bih
from
rekao
the
da su
gods,
možda samo siromašni. Da je to
Challenging
bolest.
petition. You must be Hippocrates.
yes, I'm also very busy.
Very busy. Ajmo biti malo
This is
grubi.
important. Where are all these people coming from anyway?
Patience, mercenary. They come from
Patience,
everywhere,
mercenary.
but
Kako
they
svi znaju da
seriously
smo
overflow from
mercenary?
the sanctuary of Asclepios. It's been crowded there since the war began. And with crowding comes sickness.
I've come from your clinic in Argos. Sostratus asked me to give you this.
I knew I forgot some things. So Stratos is a good
Naravno,
physician, but
sad
better
je znao da je
apprentice
zaboravio
Myrrine.
nešto.
Did you ask him to pay you for this delivery?
No, I knew this would help you and your patients. That's good enough for me.
Quite admirable. What did you say your name was?
Naravno da smo znali.
Sparta of Sparta.
Well met, Cassandra of Sparta. What do you need?
I've been searching for a Spartan woman.
What makes you think I wouldn't?
Spartan woman.
I was told you may have helped her a long time ago.
Maybe the priests at the sanctuary of Asclepios can help. They keep detailed records of all who pass through.
Please, Hippocrates, I came very far to meet you.
As did this patient, and the one before him, and the one before her. My patients need me, but my notes on diseases of the mind were taken. Retrieve them, and I will help you find what you seek. Hurry, this patient doesn't have much time left.
Au, šta da ga pitamo, where do you? Ajmo.
She would have come here a long time ago with an injured baby. Are you sure she would have passed through the sanctuary of Asclepios?
I was a young man then. When I encountered a situation beyond my skills, I would send the patient to the sanctuary.
And these priests keep records of their patients?
Yes, engraved in stone. The elder priest might remember.
Where should I look for your notes?
Fort Tyrins, not far from here.
Fort
Perhaps
Tyrins,
they'll
nije
return
daleko.
if you ask.
Or they could prepare for a new battle. With me.
Far be it for me to tell Amistios how to work, but please,
Naravno
for my
da se
sake,
pripremaju.
don't kill needlessly. Enough blood has been shed in this war.
To sigurno.
Did Chrysis take your notes?
Ah, you've met the priestess. No, not
Da,
her, but the local
nažalost.
military commander.
Nažalost smo ju
I can't fault his
poznali.
desperation. Those men suffered terribly from battle fatigue.
Battle fatigue.
I'll do my best with what you've told me.
Good luck. We're depending on you.
Računa na nas, nemoj zezati. Kaže da je u centru Valley of Dreams, to je možda ova, ili oni smatraju centar ovdje negdje drugdje. A uglavnom idemo tu negdje, pa vidjet ćemo kuća nas putno ona skriva tipka. Tebe sam htio, prijatelj. Ajde vidimo, ali mi možemo putem doći tamo. Ali idemo skoro na kontra stranu. A u redu, ajde da vidimo do kud ćemo doći, pa javimo vam se kada dođemo bliže. Evo nas, to je zapravo grad.
The sanctuary of Asclepios. There he is.
To je zapravo grad, kaj
I
ima
need
i
to
ovo.
talk to him.
A, to je ovo. U tom grmu leži zec. Ja sam mislio da je to neka osoba ili nešto kao... Šta ja znam. Ljudi, ajde da vidimo šta kaže prizet.
If you're here for your purification bath, you'll have to come back another time.
Ne,
I'm here
nismo
for
zbog toga.
information.
In that case, you can go straight to Hades.
I need to know
Au.
about a Spartan woman who came through here
Ovo je
many
nešto
years ago.
mrzovoljan.
Did that eagle of yours shit in your ears? I'm under strict
Bože.
orders not to talk to any mercenaries. Especially not
Ja onda
about
ću te
Spartan
upit.
women or injured babies.
My eagle will tear out your tongue, priest.
Forgive me, not the
Aha,
tongue. Not
sad
like me,
oprosti mi.
Chrysis threatened anyone who speaks to the eagle bearer.
Did she? Tell me about the woman and her baby, and I won't drown you in your bathhouse. How's that?
Bathhouse.
Please, no! There is already a corpse in there.
What are you talking about?
Snakes!
Opet za mi.
Snakes.
They're everywhere! Must have escaped from the Tholos. We keep them for treatments, but they invaded the bathhouse.
Ma,
Snakes killed someone.
za tretmane imaju
Patient
zmije.
was purifying himself when they slithered
Kako
in.
zanimljivo.
Turns out he's terrified of snakes. Fell over dead. Now the snakes have made him their home.
What if I took care of your snake problem? Would you talk to me then?
Oh, most definitely. The purification bath is
Naravno.
crucial in the
Prvo mi
path
moramo
towards
njemu raditi uslugu da bi čuli nešto.
How did all these snakes get loose? And why are there so many at the sanctuary?
Blame Dorios. He's supposed to keep them in the Tholos.
Naravno.
Patients with afflictions of the mind are healed by the snakes. Their tongues are like...
What does taking a bath have to do with healing the sick?
Asclepios only visits the dreams of the pure. When the sick arrive, they offer sacrifice, cleanse their bodies in the bathhouse. Only then do we let them rest in the Abaddon, where Asclepios appears and heals them.
A,
I'll take care of
strašno.
the snake problem.
Ja ništa, idemo ubiti zmije
You'll
pa
tell me what I need to know.
ćemo vidjeti jel mu moramo prijetiti ili ne. A ne, to drži bolje. I sad ovako. Mogu. Mogu. Malo gore i baci. Mrtvo. Ima šta zalutati, nema ništa. Idemo dalje. Jako, wow.
And? Is the bathhouse free of snakes?
I carved up every single one of those slimy malaikes.
My babies! What have you done to my babies?
Your snakes infested
A
my
čuj pak
bathhouse.
ovoga.
A sick man is dead because of them.
You did this!
I only did what Pilenor told me to do.
What? How dare you? I never said kill them.
How could you, Pilenor?
Laže.
Pay for this. I curse you both to Hades!
Well,
Well, what?
I took care of the
Ovo je
snakes.
to muljator.
Now you're going to tell me about the Spartan woman and the baby.
I actually don't know anything. It was before my time. The man who does know is
Znači, idemo ga
He won't
ubiti.
tell you.
I
He
to je
won't
to.
tell anyone anything.
Ćemo ga ubiti? Ne.
I like your snakes.
Ti mogu sad ubiti.
I got a name. Myrrine.
Ne mogu. Da vidimo šta kaže ovaj.
Greetings, young one. Come to offer Asclepios a sacrifice?
No. But I'm searching for a Spartan mother who may have.
The great goddess Hera guides many mothers to the sacred place. Surely I'm too feeble to remember them all.
What are these stone slabs for?
These are records. We document all who pass through, their illnesses, treatments, so that the glory of Asclepios can be celebrated.
Then I don't need your memory. I just need to find the right stone.
Yes,
Zanimljivo.
of course. That's very wise indeed. If only I had the time to help you.
Onaj prošli nas se prevario. A idemo vjerovat.
I'm not here to hurt you. I'm just looking for my mother.
It's Chrysis. She's got every priest in the sanctuary under her thumb, and she'll squash anyone who feeds information to the eagle bearer.
Then
Čo je
don't
to?
tell me anything. Just bring me to the stone that can.
Upravo tako. Samo pokaže prstom, ništa drugo.
We must be discreet.
Lead the way.
I samo pokaže prstom, ništa drugo. Ostalo ćemo sve mi.
This way.
And what about this one?
Jesmo
Let me
konačno
guess.
našli to.
It tells the tale of a blind woman who had her eyes licked by snakes.
It reads of Sparta. Came here with child.
Aha,
Pity
to je
on the
to.
gods.
Why is most of it scratched out?
Oh, I'll just tell you. I know this one by heart. The Spartan woman arrived filthy and bleeding from her travels. We cared for her, gave her food, a bath, and she left. Where she went, I do not know. The child could not be saved.
Who does know where
Dijete
she
kao
went?
nisu mogli spasiti. Stvarno.
We've been spotted. Meet me later, near the olive tree of Heracles, at the entrance of the sanctuary.
Tebe možda kasnije neće
I may have
biti.
something for you.
And what do we have here? A priest and a mercenary out for a friendly stroll?
May the gods be with you, Plistos. I was just on my way to the archives when this Misthios bumped into me.
Is that so? And what were you both chatting about so fervently, might I ask?
Ajde, idemo to reći.
And could use a good bath. The kind priest here was pointing me in the direction of the bathhouse.
Yes, that's correct. The bathhouse is right over there. Now, if you'll excuse me.
The baths are for healing the sick, not for washing the blood off one's hands. Leave.
Čuj ti ovoga. Trebalo bi ga malo podučiti lekciju. Ja nije, to je neke nića.
Same sickness as the rat. May Asclepius spare her from suffering.
Will she live?
Not unless the gods heed our prayers. Many sick Athenians have arrived in our Golis recently, and very few have left. This poor girl has the same sickness.
Šta sad odabrati? Pomoć ili informacije? Idemo
Is there
pomoć, ajde.
anything I can do to help?
I was warned of the eagle bearer. Wants nothing but drachmi for blood. I was told.
We're wasting time,
Zamisli to.
priest. We can discuss what I want
Čini se
when
da
the
smo
girl
došli
needs
na
taken care of.
loš glas, ajmo reći. Svi misle da radimo samo i ubijamo radi drahmija.
To draw the attention of the gods. Pigs, goats, all have fallen on deaf ears. We need a beast whose blood will ignite these flames for Asclepius to see.
What did you have in mind?
There is a rumor of a bull with skin as white as snow roaming the sanctuary outskirts. Head west of here, towards the coast. Bring it to me alive, and we'll offer a sacrifice the gods.
Živoga.
I'm touched you will help these people, but I know why you're really here. Chrysis made all
Znaš.
priests swear oaths to seal our lips in the face of the eagle-bearing Mystios, or forfeit our lives. But I serve the gods,
Ako ti
and
kažeš da ti znaš, onda...
oaths are to them.
Jao, ljudi imaju šta mi sve moramo raditi.
If you're just going to slit its throat, why do you need the bull alive?
Moramo bika živoga dovesti k njemu.
Pour water on its head. If it nods, we may proceed. Gods, mortals,
Nekako
and
mi
animals,
ne zvuči da će
all
to
must
biti baš
join participants in
prelagano.
sacrifice, or it is impure. To save this many people, we will need the beast's blood, bones, and fat.
Tell me about
Kaj je
Chrysis.
ona točno
Why
rekla?
is everyone terrified?
We taught her everything we knew about healing, about the gods. Then she found new teachers, people in masks. They changed her.
Nju tič, novog učitelja naša.
They became her gods.
Ajde, čujemo jo.
The outskirts are vast. Can you be more specific about the location of the bull?
Last I heard, it was grazing on Mount Corifum, near the Assini ruins.
Jo, puno si je pomogao.
I'll find this bull for you.
Ne mogu skočiti na njega. Kako da ne? Bum! Ovo je malo teži slučaj. I jednu običnu. I imamo još jednu. Bum! Jedan manje. Tako i jedan bul. Bum! Dobro, znam da je kukovičke ovo je brutalno. Ovo dok ga kao, ajmo reći, ubijamo dok je na podu, ali tako je kako je, treba se snaći. Ajmo dolje. Tako je, bravo Kassandra.
Died willingly. I'll take his heart for the sacrifice.
A moram i ovaj pustiti. Čini se da nismo stigli na vrijeme spasiti bika. Da, mrtav.
Not the best feeling.
Nemoj reći, stvarno.
I hope this heart is enough. If they want the whole bull, they can come get it themselves.
Tako je istina.
Did you find the white bull?
Ne, našli smo
I
samo
couldn't
hart.
bring it back alive. But I did manage to collect its heart.
This won't be
Odvratno.
enough to please Asclepius. The beast died unwillingly, and with just a heart, we'll only be able to pray for one life.
Please, Mythios. The white bull you killed was mine. My farm feeds half of our lease. If I die, people will starve.
I beg you! My husband was killed by this sickness. I have two
Ja,
small
Bože
children.
dragi, šta je
Who
ovo?
will take care of them if I die? I am wealthy and will pay you for this blessing.
Kaj će nas sad cijeli grad napasti da ih spasimo?
It's okay. Give the sacrifice to them.
You did this. You choose whose prayers get heard by the
Ajoj,
gods.
ne. Kaj da odoverimo? The girl, ja bi nju spasio najradije. Ma ja ću dovart nju, baš me briga.
You regret this.
Au.
Not an easy choice, Mistios.
Pa nije, da.
The rest is in the hands of the gods.
I did my part, priest.
The Spartan woman you're after.
You've met her?
Her visit to the sanctuary is legendary, but sadly, it was before my time. The man you want is Myrrine, the elder priest. He spoke of her often, that is, before he cut out his tongue.
Cut out his tongue?
When he's not healing the sick, he's in the guest house. Spends a lot of time being tended to by the servants.
Zanimljivo. Kako zanimljivo.
And these people won't forget you helped them.
Pa nadam se, a ne kak je onaj rekao da ću požaliti to što smo napravili. Pa mislim, radije ću uvijek pomoći maloj curici nego ono. Mislim, kao i njima treba pomoć, ali opet ono. Speak no evil. Da, tako da uvijek bi odabro spasiti curicu. Kaj ovaj kaže u guest house, ako uopće možemo prići tamo. Ovo je dobro prošlo. Ovo ostalo ne znam kako će dobro proći. Hoće li dobro proći? Malo ovoga uzeti. Malo se maknuti ovdje. Level 19 isto. Dobro je prošlo. Iako po izlazu bi moglo biti problema. Ali da vidimo kaj ovi kažu. Ajo. Ovo ne izgleda dobro. Dobro, nisu svi.
He doesn't speak. So I've heard. I'm here to find out why.
Chrysis did this to him.
I thought he did this to himself.
To prove his loyalty to her.
Now, why would Chrysis want an elder priest to cut out his tongue?
Myrrine is a caring, generous man.
I want answers
Da,
from him.
vidjeli smo koliko.
Tell me about the Spartan woman and her baby.
He can only answer yes or no.
Yes or no. Ajmo
The
ovako.
Spartan woman, was her name Myrrine?
Dobro. Ajmo
Did she
ovako.
tell you where she was going?
Nije. Laže tip. Ajde da vidimo ovo.
Chrysis made you cut out your tongue. The night my mother brought my brother here, you and your priests left him for dead. And Chrysis didn't like you telling the story.
That's not what happened.
Nemoj zezat. Slave. Znači ona se zove Slave.
He told me the story many times before that witch stole his voice. He tried to save the baby. Did everything he
Pokušaj.
could.
Ajde da vidimo i čujemo.
I don't believe you. Dead.
How can my baby be dead?
I don't know what to tell you. You were lucky he survived as long as he did. That fall was devastating.
My baby. My baby.
Listen, there's nothing we can do for you anymore. You'd best be on your way. Raise here up.
They're gone.
Ajoj. Bome se naša majka napatila koliko i mi očito. Možda i više.
Tell me, please. I need to know.
Not even Apollo could save the child. Myrrine told me how the Spartan woman wept, held the baby in her arms.
Nikako mi djeluje da laže.
Before finally leaving him to the gods.
Chrysis took the baby, didn't she? And she made you cut out your tongue to hide the truth. Where is Chrysis?
Zanimljiva teorija svakako.
I see. Chrysis possesses every tongue around here.
Pa,
I'll find her on my own then,
da.
and cut out a lot more.
Rekao sam da će biti po izlazu problema. Legalizirali smo. Dobro. Kud si ti odletio? Dobro, nisam znao da je Kassandra oko jako. Ajde. Opa! I sad bulatek i tebi noga u glavu. Tako. Bješi. Ma, dosadan se, evo ti. Sad ti spaljuje strele koliko hoćeš. Ovo je bio teški promašaj. I ovo je bio. A ja. Bože. Uglavnom, mislim da bi ga mogao ubiti i htio sam, ali opet se razmišljam, tu smo usred grada. A kao što ste vidjeli, to zna biti problem, pa onda možda bolje ne, pa rekao da odjavim video, pa u drugoj epizodi budemo ga možda pronađemo, pa i to sve uglavnom, i onda ćemo ići i razgovarati s ovim Dimasom da vidimo di su ti novci koji nam trebaju, tako da ako vam se svidio video, ako volite ovakav sadržaj, lajkajte, širajte, pretplatite se, eto, tako da hvala vam na svemu, hvala na podršci i vidimo se, čujemo se u novoj epizodi. Ne vidimo se, čujemo se. Pardon. Lijep pozdrav.